Hey guys, it's me Norie, and today I'm going to be doing another bang cutting video. I think this is going to be the last one for at least a while because I've already done two other ones. If you guys already know, you guys can check that out if you haven't already. But I thought I would throw it back and bring out this shirt again that I wore in my first original video. That has 2 million views now, which is really crazy, so thank you guys so much. I wanted to cut my bangs because this is the situation right now, and I'm just gonna cut it really quick and dirty. I have everything ready. I'm really prepared. I got bobby pins. I got scissors. And wait for this, guys. Check these out. I'm so professional. Look at this. Got these scissors with little spikes at it. I think this is gonna work on bangs. I have no clue. You guys are probably screaming at me. But I just want to cut my bangs because it's in the way and I want to like style them, you know. Oh, also I have no longer my crusty dusty mirror. Instead, I just have a bigger crusty dusty mirror, so upgrade. I have nothing just laid out, like it's just gonna all fall to the ground probably. I think I want to go for thicker bangs this time actually, because a lot of you guys were saying in the last video that I actually should try the thick bangs. I feel like I shouldn't cut these longer ones because they're supposed to like frame the face. Let me bobby pin stuff, you know, like a professional. It'll be all good. Like I have so much training by this point. So. Okay, I don't know. Maybe at the end, because I think it like texturizes it. Oh my god, left-handed. Oh god, it's getting all over the floor. This is gross. How do you do this with one hand? I need to close my eyes this time. I learned my lesson. So far, looking great. As you can see, I'm doing a different technique this time. I'm not doing it all at once. Honestly, I'm internally screaming, but I know I'm not gonna fuck it up this time. I'm honestly really scared to go from here because do I go in with these now? Because this is really straight right now, so I think this is where the scissors come in. The separate scissors, the badass scissors, the pro scissors. I see why people go to professionals. I think these are thinning scissors, perhaps. It's so hard with my hand. Oh, I think the blade side goes this way. I have no... Wait. Oh god, I know people are going to be commenting like, that was wrong. Oh my god. Learn how to do it, stupid. I wanted to do it quick and dirty. Now it's just slow and dirty. Do you think it looks obvious that I cut it myself? Like, do you think people will notice? They'll probably notice, huh? What I want to do is I want to take these scissors and put it up here because I feel like it's going to thin it out. But then I don't think I can make that kind of risk. And look how gross this looks right now. Ugh. Let's see. Oh my god, my legs are so hairy right now. Not because of my leg hairs, but because of my hair hairs. Let me just try to get this off my face. Oh, okay. So I should not have done that, but I think it's overall fine. I don't think it's a fail, okay? It's not a fail. Can you guys tell that I cut it myself? Like, if you saw me walking down the street and I was like, hey, what's up, bud? Like, would you be like, you cut that yourself, right? Or would you be like, give me the deets to your hairstylist right now? My freaking legs. Like, what? Hi, Wolverine. I wanted to also shout out Casey. S, and this is her Instagram. I don't know what the exact name is. I think so sorry, but she's always on my Instagram and always keeping up to date and always commenting. She's super sweet, so I wanted to shout her out. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!